Hi there, welcome back. My name is Atutaka. Remember, that's if it's your very first time here, you're watching Atutaka Solutions. You are most welcome. How to manage privacy in a Facebook group. Okay, so this is something very important. If you have a Facebook group, I'm possessed with YouTube. Okay, if you have a Facebook group, you want to make sure you regulate what people post, who should post, when, and what. Okay, so you go to group settings, and then there's that basic group information where there's name and description, cover photo, new member intro. As you can see in the new member intro, you can turn it on or off if you want to. All right, so if you want members to introduce themselves, there's that intro. If you want members to see it, you can turn it on. And then we have tags, we have color, we have all those privacy settings. And then you can hide group, you have membership questions, who can approve member request, who is pre-approved to join. Okay, these ones, pre-approved to join, like someone has already you can set that. Guys, forgive it, just forgive it. Okay, ask pending members up to 3 questions. So we went to membership questions. You know those little questions that pop up when you want to join a Facebook group? They sometimes seem to be like annoying because you just want to join and join. No, like this is somebody's space. In fact, not somebody, people's private space. So you want to come in, they want to make sure you have right intentions. But again, there's no 100% guarantee because someone can lie. Someone can say, oh, yes, it's okay, I agree. And then they do stuff. But you can always mute them or block them or remove them from that group, something like that. So, yeah, it saves some time. And it helps people to know that you have regulations in your group and there are rules to follow. Okay, so there is this edit question. You know those questions. So like, do you have any product or service to promote? If that is the type of question that you want to appear, you can then you click on add an option if you have another one. Yeah, then there are those check boxes. I don't know, but I hadn't really gone through this, not until I attempted to create a Facebook group, because somebody really asked, how do you create a Facebook group? I was like, okay, I get these questions, and some of them, sometimes they're learning ground for me as well, because sometimes I've not tried out these things. So I just try out and share, because that's what we do on this channel. We share because we believe sharing is caring. Did I tell you my name? For the new viewers, you're most welcome. My name is Atutaka Mirembe. Atutaka Mirembe, and this is Atutaka Solutions. Atutaka, God loves us. All right, so do you have any products to sell or what? Then you can add no, yes. Create rules for your group. Excuse me, be kind and catch us. We are all in this together to create a welcoming environment. Let's treat everyone with respect. All right, healthy debates are natural, but kindness is required. That's very important. No hate speech or bullying, no promotions or spam. So you click on any of those questions that you prefer to add in your rule stuff. Okay, so give more to this group than you take. Self-promotion, spam, and irrelevant links aren't allowed. So you put it there and let any prospective member or the already existing members be always aware of. Okay, so they always tell you that you'll be able to review this before you post, before you upload, before you confirm, before you post those questions and rules. So if you see that this works for you, respect everyone's, you don't have to click on all of them. You realize some groups are really so open. Like, they will not ask you any questions. Like, you just boom, join. You're part of that group already. But again, it's just good to, sometimes you have to put these rules in order, because you're working with human beings, and human beings have a tendency to just do things their way. So you should always put up a rule or a policy or a regulation. Like, every social media has policies and stuff. So why won't your group have policies and regulations? And a few minimums. Okay, so you can create up to 5 more rules. Hey, no hate speech. Make sure that everyone feels safe. Okay, rules have been updated. You can edit them at any time. And then you, the administration, can always edit. You can always edit these rules. Like, it's not final. If you see that maybe the rule is no longer maybe relevant at that particular point, and then who can approve member requests? Anyone in the group? Is it that what you want? Like, anyone can approve? There are those groups where you can ask to be member and then anyone online, or it just goes automatically to anybody who is already a member and they will approve. Or you want the administration, you as the admin, to be the sole person to approve. That's some work. But if it depends on what group you're setting up. If you're setting up a more free community group, like, just any member can, can approve the others. I've received most of those, like in my former school groups and stuff like that. You say, so and so asked to join. Would you approve? So you approve. If you don't approve, the question will go to another member. So you're not going to boss around. I'm not accepting this person. All right, so how it works, anonymous posts. You see those groups where you can, those options where you can decide to post as anonymous, like nobody will see your profile. And who can post? Anyone in the group. You want to put it to anyone in the group, not necessarily to an individual, but then you can, not necessarily to your admin, but you can turn on post approval. You just keep exploring with these options. Like, you can read and see what they're talking about. It's not a one-click done thing. Yeah, turn this on if you want admins and moderators to approve each post. Is it what you want? If you want to approve, moderate each post, then you can, I was just contemplating. But then I remembered, some people can post some things that are not pleasant. And you don't want to surprise yourself and your group members. And yeah, default tab, buy and sell. Or there's a default tab that appears on the top of the group. So if you want it to be a discussion or something buy and sell, up to you. Okay. There's so many. Oh my God. I'd not taken time, but yeah, that's just part of it all. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if it's your very first time. We do tech, business, and investment tips. If this is what interests you, you want to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye.